should not bear the burden alone. Solidarity is not charity, it is justice. And therefore, sharing the burden of refugees and asylum seekers and migrants is an act of solidarity and an act of justice, because such persons deserve the support and the assistance of the countries that they end up. As you deliberate on these issues over the next few days, I urge you to continue upholding fairness, courage, and independence in your decisions, and to balance between the aspects of asylum seekers and refugees that require adjudication out of persecution, running away from climate change effects, conflict, and many other areas. But there is a bigger element that is positive about migration. I will give you two examples. Today, as a country, we have signed bilateral labor agreements with many countries, including the last one with Germany and Austria. Last week, I was in Qatar and we were discussing migration, positive, orderly migration that helps share resources and also help build capacity in different parts of the world. As a result of migration, today we have close to 430,000 Kenyans in the last 2 years who are working outside Kenya. It is migration in a positive sense. And as a result of that increase of number of Kenyans working outside Kenya, we got $1 billion more from our diaspora remittances. And we are using it positively to build our country. So there are equally aspects, positive, very positive aspects of migration. This morning, I was having another conversation on migration. This month, we will be launching one of our largest infrastructure projects, dueling 175 kilometers of road from just outside Nairobi to a place called Mau Summit. And among the conversation I was having this morning is how we are going to bring in high-end engineers